You may hear gunshots in your neighborhood every New Year's Eve, or maybe you see it happening on social media, if not. But today in Dallas, something we don't get to see very often. Those accused of firing those weapons arrested and facing criminal charges. Robbie Owens sharing what happens when those viral videos actually turn into evidence.
On New Year's Eve in Dallas, automatic gunfire echoed the fireworks lighting up the night sky.
This behavior is dangerous and won't be tolerated in Dallas.
Fired from the Margaret McDermott Bridge just west of downtown, investigators recovered more than 100 shell casings near the scene. Then need only to look online for clues to who fired them.
This video went viral throughout the United States. Everyone got to see that criminal activity. I'm here to tell you it won't happen again in Dallas, and if it does, you will get arrested, just like these individuals have been arrested.
Anthony Acevedo, 20, and Jose Alocon Sanchez, 18, both of Grand Prairie, were identified as the men in the videos firing the weapons. He is in custody with an immigration hold. Acevedo has been released on bond, and there's more.
Video analysis also allowed investigators to identify a third individual connected to a separate violent crime of an aggravated assault that occurred in November of 2025.
25-year-old Anderson Derce Lara is charged in what officers describe as a road rage shooting. He's accused of firing multiple rounds into a vehicle carrying 3 adults and 3 children, one as young as 3. Working with the ATF, investigators executed a search warrant and recovered multiple firearms, including the rifles seen in the viral videos. Derce Lara is also being held on an immigration hold.
Let me be very clear. If you put lives at risk in Dallas, we will identify you, investigate thoroughly, and hold you accountable. This is an example of it.
In Dallas, Robbie Owens, CBS News, Texas.